Hello everybody and welcome Jenny's aka the Crazy Country Couponer, and it's a new week with new deals and a lot of overage, yeah, and a lot of money to earn, and you want to know, so come on in, and on your way in please like and share the video. Invite your friends on over, they'll love you for it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. Let's get you fixed right on up. That way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have every day. Everybody, like I said, there is money to be made this week at the Dollar General. So let's have a look at what we can do. First off, of course, we've got our free 5 off of 25. Make sure you clip that. And always clip all of your earns, because you don't know when you're going to be using those, and particularly if it's an earn for a product that you use anyway, because you don't know when you're going to purchase it. Let's say for this Lysol, $3 earn, this Lysol is $7, and you've got a limit of 5. Now this is going to be another week of pet savings, okay? We don't get big savings on pet food, not like we used to. We used to get paper coupons all the time, and bonus sales, the buy one get one, like the Ims. We used to get those all the time. We hardly get those anymore. But right now, they're giving us more pet food coupons. So because we get the other stuff all the time, and we have it probably stockpiled for days, let's concentrate on getting some of this pet food, particularly if you have pets, because you can take this earned money that you're getting back, and you can use this any day of the week like free money, just like having a 5 off 25 during the week time, because you're going to be buying this pet food anyway. Okay, maybe not this brand, but you're going to be buying pet food anyway. You might as well save some money and get some money back so you can spend it on something else. Now, that being said, we've got several of the small earns for like the single cans, but you got to buy 5 to get back $1. You got to buy 2 to get back on the Petites 50 cents. You got to buy 3 to get $1 back on the Earns Fancy Feast broth. Now, you have to buy 1 to get back $3 on the Fancy Feast Petites Wet Cat Food Variety Pack, okay? You can do this up to 5 times. Now, this is your daily deal for today, and this is going to be a run deal because I guarantee you that these are few and far between, okay? On the shelf there. They're probably on those little pegboard shelves where the hanging snacks are. These are the good and tasty crunchy variety packs, okay? You have a earn of $2 for each one, a limit up to 5. That means you can purchase 5 of these and get back $10. Now, these things are only $2.75 right now. Yes, normally $4.25. They are $2.75. That means you will be paying $13.75 when you leave the store, but you'll get back $10 in earns, which means you'll pay $3.75 for 5 of these dog snacks. And that's a winner chicken dinner for your dog. This is the next highlight of this week. Buy 1 PG item and get $10 off a future purchase of $40 or more. It doesn't state if that's PG products or not, but the 1 PG product, all you got to do is buy is that Oral-B toothbrush for $1, and you will get a save $10 on a $40 purchase, okay? So, yeah. Basically a free coupon because you're going to get that Oral-B toothbrush for free and something else to boot if you're in an older operating system store. Alright, now look at this. We've got a Little Caesar earn of $8.25. Now, these two deals right here are 5 off 25 scenarios, all in their own right. So I would definitely wait to do this on Saturday with a paper 5 off 25. The Little Caesars is $29.25. You use your 5 off 25, you're looking at $24.25 out of pocket, but you're going to get back at $8.25 earned, making that $16 out of pocket, a savings of $12.25. The Pedigree Wet, these are $27.95. Again, $5 earn or $7.75 earned back. Use your $5 for your 5 off 25. You're looking at $22.95 walking out the door after you get your earned back. You're looking at right around $15, a savings of $13. Okay, now that is a winner kind of deal right there. Now this one on the Fancy Feast is earned $5, but you have to buy two. They are $12.25 a piece. That's pretty much your 5 off of 25. But what you're going to do is pick up the Oral-B toothbrush, and you're going to get $2 off. Or you're going to get $1 off. Depends on your store, of course. And then you're going to get your 5 off 25, because that's how you're going to do with this. Now, this is only going to be $25.50. You're so close to that $25 mark, I do not feel comfortable. So I'm saying let's add that Glitching Crest mouthwash to that. Okay? For $1. Makes it free. It's a good filler. And you'll be at $26.50. Okay? And you've got $8 coming off if you're in an older operating system store, which means you're going to be $18.50 out the door, and then you're going to get your earn back of $5 for leaves you out of pocket of $13.50 out of pocket, a savings of $13 total. Okay, now this is an awesome deal because there's something like, how many cans is there in that? There are 60 cans and 2 boxes of this Purina. Okay? And you'll be paying $13.50. And this stuff is like $1.10 a can. So this is an absolute chicken dinner kind of deal. And I'm sorry, we're going to add the Scope mouthwash. It is a $2 coupon, not a $1 coupon. And that's going to give you more overage if you're in an older operating system store. Okay, that means you'll be paying $12.50 from an older operating system store on the Purina, the Oral-B toothbrush, and the Crest travel size mouthwash. So there is the math breakdown for the Purina deal for the Fancy Feast. And again, like I said, I made a mistake on the amount of the Crest coupon. It is actually $2, not $1. For the Caesars and the Pedigree. And for the 5 good tasty dog treats, okay? This is your deal of the day. So several deals to choose from. Some that you can do today and a lot that you can do on Saturday. So blessings. And we'll talk again real soon because we got more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information every day.